Okay, we're gonna be exploring EasyEquities now. If you watched the last video, you know how to deposit money into it by now. If you don't, go watch the last video, because why are you watching this if you didn't watch the last one? Anyway, on a serious note though, this is where you deposit, withdraw, and transfer. What does transfer and forex mean? So this is when you're trying to invest in other currencies outside of your country. So let's go to transfer and forex, right? So as you can see, you have EasyEquities GBP, EasyEquities USD. We have EasyEquities properties. Of course, the properties is still in South Africa, as you can see with the ZAR there. So it's just you transferring money into the properties. Okay, now this is where you withdraw, but we are not here yet. We're not withdrawing anything. So now what we're gonna do is go to deposit. Let's go to notification. Obviously it's just messages, right? I'm gonna hide some of the messages. They're not important. Then we go watch list. So what is watch list? Watch list, this is where you can put in the assets that you want to invest in future, just so that you don't lose track of them. It's something like favorites, putting a favorites bookmark or something like that. That's what watch list is like. On Twitter, on X, you know what you bookmark over there, so don't act all surprised. So bookmark is same as that thing over there on X where you bookmark stuff. This is the what called watch list. On this side, you just like watch list them or save them for later, something like that. And we go to invest. Now this is the most important part about this app, right? This is where you do everything. It's equities, ETFs, crypto assets, property, bonds, commodities, right? So my specialties, or the things that I've invested in the past, are equities, ETFs, crypto assets, and property. For bonds and commodities, I haven't really touched them. So let me just go into EasyEquities. You're gonna see the listed ones over here. These are the listed ones. Probably mostly they're gonna show the top ones. And then if we go to ETFs, it's gonna show you the most top ones probably, or the most latest ones that are performing good or worst, depending on whatever they decide to show you. Then these are the cryptocurrencies. This is the most investment that you gotta be careful on when you're investing, bro. It's very volatile. Then there's that, and then there's I just said volatile, and I don't even know what volatile means, but anyway, that's the term they use when they're talking about cryptocurrency. But volatile just means just means in an easy sense. It's not a definition, but I think it means that it's very risky to invest in crypto because it fluctuates a lot. It has ups and downs. So you can invest 100 rands today, and tomorrow it drops to like minus 2,000 rands. Then you lost your 100 rands. That's how crypto can be sometimes. So these are properties, as you can see. Yeah, you can invest in properties. I'm gonna get in depth later on how to invest in properties or equities and what to look at. And yeah, these are just other things that you can explore. And then we have portfolio. I think on the first video on how to set up your EasyEquity app, I've talked about these. I've talked about portfolio, and yeah, that's pretty much the app. And then when you go to profile, you can see all these other interesting things here. This is like the best application that has ever been made for South Africans for investing. Like, I think it's the best. And if you don't take this opportunity now, trust me, in the next 30 years or 20 years, you're going to be regretting not investing. Better believe me. Better believe. Also, if you want to watch the whole series, link is going to be in the description. And also click the first link to get this app set up on your own mobile phone. Okay.